PBBM, pinaimbestigahan po ang umano'y wiretapping ng Chinese Embassy. Pinaimbestigahan na ng Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. ang umano'y pag-wiretap ng Chinese Embassy sa pag-uusap umano ng isang opisyal ng Armed Forces of the Philippines at ng Chinese Embassy tungkol po sa sinasabing New Model Agreement ng Pilipinas at China tungkol sa West Philippine Sea. Sa isang panayam sa seremonya ng alyansa ng Partido Federal ng Pilipinas at ng Nationalist People's Coalition sa Makati, kinumpirma po ni Pangulong Marcos na ipinag-utos na niya ang investigasyon sa sinasabing wiretapping. Lumabas ang direktibang ito ng Pangulo kasunod ng pagsasabi ng Department of Foreign Affairs at ng Department of Justice na nilabag ng mga Chinese foreign diplomat sa bansa ang Anti-Wiretapping Act ng Pilipinas at ang Diplomatic Protocol. Pakinggan natin po ang bahagi ng pahayag ng ating Pangulo.
We are looking into it because really the fact of the matter is there have been mentions of a tape that says, that confirms that there was this agreement, etc., all of that. And I keep hearing that there is a tape, and I keep wanting to hear it, and as yet we don't have it. So it's very hard to come to any conclusion until we know that the thing actually exists. So it's very hard. It is in the possession, if it does exist, it's in the possession of the Chinese embassy and the Chinese government. So until they release it, becomes harder and harder to believe and to accept that there was an agreement.
Tinig po ni PBBM, matatandaan noong May 7, naglabas po ang Chinese Embassy sa Manila po ng transcript ng hindi beripikadong usapan sa pagitan po ng Chinese diplomat at ni dating AFP Western Command Chief Vice Admiral Alberto Carlos tungkol po sa sinasabing bagong model para sa pagtalakay sa mga isyung may kinalaman sa Ayungin Shoal. Makailang beses nang sinabi po ng pamahalaan na walang kasunduang ganito na nakarating po kay Pangulong Marcos at tangi siya lamang po ang maaring magdesisyon dito kung mayroon man. Pinalitan na po si Carlos ni Rear Admiral Alfonso Torres Jr. bilang Westcom Chief. Inutos na rin po ng Malacanang sa Department of Information and Communications Technology at sa Department of Science and Technology na magtulungan upang mapalakas ang cybersecurity ng bansa.